Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to increase font size on WhatsApp PC. We'll start by opening the WhatsApp app on PC, then tap on the settings icon. Inside here, we will click on the customization option. After that, we can find the text size option. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can vary the size of the text in the app and be able to enlarge the font size if you want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.